Well, and I talked to him a few weeks ago and said na, Mr. President, I think I've done what I can sa Senate, but it's your choice, pati yung timing. And halo yung expectation at yung surprise kanina. But let me assure all of you that we will do our best to represent our country, to serve God and people. The nomination has been signed, but I cannot take the office and the oath until confirmed by the Commission on Appointments. That's why you have a statement from Senator Ping at nagpapasalamat ako sa kanya that he's planning the confirmation and nakikiusap sa mga kasamahan namin dahil kasama din sa CA and we work together to speed up the process.
Who is it, do you think, would fill your shoes in the Senate? Who would fight for the President the way you're fighting for the President now that you're out of the Senate?
Marami. Si Senator Coco, iba lang ang kanyang style. Tapos si Majority Leader Soto, pagdating sa legislation, siya naman magpupush. Si Senator Ping and Senator Gordon can give fiery criticisms just like FBR, but they want this administration to succeed. Pagdating naman sa actual work, 'di ba? Of course, nandiyan I mean sa legislative work, si Sen Mix was dating majority leader. Si Manny Pacquiao is showing na kahit neophyte na, ang dami niya na knock out. And I think he is really studying how to deal with national problems. Sherwin Gatchalian, Joel Villanueva. It's, as I said, you gave me too much credit kasi I hold the microphone. The President is in good hands sa present Senate, and then we'll have an election in 2019. I will tell you that whether or not I was going to the executive. In fact, ako na nagsasabi parati sa ating Pangulo na yung leadership wants to be with him, meet him, talk to him, and sort out. And makikita nyo kung ano ang effectivity ng lower house, ganun din naman sa Senate.